Before we start our experiments, let's take a look at our diagram of the three main parts of a seed. First, the outside of the seed is called the seed coat, and it protects the seed. The inside, we have two big areas, fatty areas called the stored food. This is the food for the baby plant. It also turns into the first leaves of the plant as well. And then on the inside of that, we have a little part called the embryo or baby plant. It almost kind of looks like your root, baby root for the seed. All right, guys, welcome to a closer look at a seed. Now, we've got some large lima bean seeds soaking in some water, and I've got them soaking for about 24 hours or overnight, should be fine. Basically, what that does is it kind of activates the seed and it does start to loosen the seed coat. So let's take a closer look at our three main parts. So here is our bean seed. And what I'm going to do is just going to very gently, and you can kind of see it, it pulls off pretty easy. But I'm just going to kind of peel away that seed coat. And if you do look at the seed coat, it kind of looks like skin almost. And that skin or seed coat is the protection around the seed until it does start to grow. And then on the outside of the bean seed, you can kind of see the fatty areas. And that is basically the stored food for the baby plant. And then sticking out right in there, you can kind of see our root. And then inside, when I open it up, you can actually see the embryo or baby plant. So what I would do is, now this seed's already kind of loose, so I don't need to do too much. But if you do have a seed at home that you are working with, you might need to take your thumbnail and kind of just run it a line, and so that it splits open just like that. So there are the two fatty storage areas. And right there on the side, if we can zoom in right in there, you can definitely see there is the kind of little finger thing that is going to turn into our root. And then right in there, I know it's kind of hard to see, it's the same color as the seed, but right in there, that is, you can see the first leaves of our baby plants, the embryo right in there. So you've got baby plant leaves and then the root coming out. Now again, these big areas right here, kind of kidney-shaped areas, that is going to be our stored food to kind of get the plant started. And that is a closer look at a seed.